Doggy.
Alright.
Whoa!
Whoa! Be careful with this knife.
Is that an
That
avocado?
was smooth. That was like Fruit Ninja.
There was no like pit in the
yeah.
avocado.
Ooh, that's satisfying. Look how sharp that blade is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This, it has to be super sharp. Yeah, cutting through that skin isn't easy.
Look at this.
Nice.
Nice.
How did he do that? We got the vegetable master.
Oh, I wanna eat, guys, already.
Wow.
Everything is so
this.
satisfying. The sounds, the cutting.
I feel like I'm there. Like the vibe is so wildernessy.
So let's listen. Stop gobbling around. Let's listen to this thing.
Enough listening. Let's talk.
Right,
Wow.
look at that skillet.
I know.
Ah,
Like no way you could make anything look that good. Like just in the wilderness.
oh
You
my
know,
god.
this guy's making it work. But I think it has to be like pre-prepared or something.
I'm salivating.
Oh, yeah.
I like the dog. How he's incorporating him into the video or her.
So he peeled the sausage. just
Yeah, to get that
mince.
layer of
Yeah.
skin out.
Nice. Oh
Oh,
my gosh.
What is that?
going
I need that
on?
in my life.
Guys,
Wow.
why are we watching this? I
Wow.
wanna eat it.
That looks so good.
It's so good. We got
Alright,
some
next-
eggies,
Next one.
some egg yolks.
Alright.
Okay.
He's making his own dough.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice little chili.
Nice.
Good show,
Make it
man.
spicy. Okay, we got some
Nice
spicy
and
dough.
thin, finely cut.
What is this guy's
Look
knife
at that.
skills?
He's just like
Yeah.
This is
like a
Look at
chef, right?
this.
Like a chef.
This is just Gordon
So
Ramsay's
he's got-
hobby.
He's got his own cookbook as well.
Wow.
Some bacon.
That meat looks so fresh as
like
well.
a little
Is it a
pancake,
pizza?
right?
It's
Oh, that was cooking paper. Look how he's incorporating
a big taco.
bushcraft as well, right? With the branches. Oh my gosh.
I mean, surely you shouldn't light a fire in a forest.
Are you telling me that's spaghetti? He just made spaghetti. He made pasta. He just made pasta. Ooh. That's like carbonara.
I'm like
He
speechless.
made
at this.
wild carbonara.
Oh, we got spinny butter.
That's
That's
lot.
way
That's
too
a
much
lot
butter.
of butter.
How much butter you want? Yes.
Enough to clog up my veins
Yeah.
and cause me.
I want my
heart
blood
attack.
to be-
What is going on? That was so much butter.
I want my blood to be butter by the end of this.
There's too much blood in your butter system.
Yeah. This guy needs like a slow-mo camera, like one of those professional ones.
And the good thing here, he's filming this himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Just imagine, you need to cook, you need to film,
And you just
and
need to set it up.
Every
Wow.
movement needs to be
Although
perfect.
I do think he has a camera guy.
Yeah.
Because remember when he cut the tomato?
I think the
The
dog's
camera
helping him.
went forward. Or maybe it's the dog.
With the dog's
it was a dog.
Wow, we got
bacon.
cheesy fries. Cheesy bacon fries.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Nice. We got some steaks.
It's nice and red inside.
Perfectly like medium rare.
I
Nice.
can't,
Yeah.
guys, I can't do this. I can't do this.
Me neither.
This is too much.
Yummy wood.
So,
Perfect joint.
what is this for us?
Nice.
Ooh. We got some rice. We got some
Bay leaf.
bay leaf. That's it.
I love his cooking utensils.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cast iron. It's just on spot.
Somewhere on planet Earth, in a random forest, there's
Yes.
a professional chef with professional equipment.
Exactly. Look at that finely
Chopping
chopping.
away.
And his cleaver, his Japanese knife, it just looks so good.
Oh, I want a cleaver like that. It looks cool. I don't cook or anything. I just want it.
Oh my gosh, he's doing breaded chicken.
It looks like it would
And
do a
he's
lot of.
deep frying breaded. Oh my god!
Holy
Outside in the
moly.
forest, in the forest.
That looks good. Is this like teriyaki chicken?
Oh my god! What did you
Stop! I'm so hungry.
Wow.
Don't tell me he's making onion rings.
Ooh, he's making onion rings.
Seriously?
I like that he showed it. I
Yep.
like that he showed his
The
attempts.
attempts, yeah.
That's
It
good.
reminds me hockey when they,
Right?
you know, play
Yeah,
with this.
into the goal. The puck.
Nice. Some onions, some tomatoes. Wow, that's a lot of spices.
Perfect. That's just the right amount of
And
spices.
honey, and honey. Did you see that?
There was a book.
Yeah, it's his cookbook.
Ah.
Look, he's stuffing the onions with meat.
Wow.
And with the And he put bacon.
My
around
stomach is
it.
actually in pain right now watching this. That was so good.
Oh my god.
Those are the craziest onion rings I've ever seen in my life.
They're like stuffed bacon onion rings.
Wow. With the chili dip. What?
God.
This is painful.
What?
That is beautiful.
Wow, nice.
I'm salivating,
Yeah.
guys. I'm salivating.
I noticed
Say
he's not
anything
using.
without-
He's
what?
not using a lot of bread. Like I haven't seen that much bread at all.
Well, he's making his own bread.
Yeah, I know. But
That's
like,
insane. Like he
it's
doesn't
awesome.
bring any. He just cooks everything.
yeah, no
Like,
processed
sausage,
stuff.
Yeah.
It's all just fresh.
The place itself.
Oh, the movements they're so
Yeah.
precise. Like everything's.
Little floating garlic.
This man uses more garlic than anyone I've ever seen. He is so protected against vampires.
He's definitely not a vampire. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I love how he just
Yeah,
does
yeah.
that. Just trims it.
Oh, that meat
nice.
looks
Oh,
so
those
good.
Those chorizo.
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 Chorizo?
Chorizo.
What a lovely accent.
Vicky Cristina Barcelona.
Okay. What are these? These are like.
Whoa. Boom. Bam. Oh, it's snowing already.
This man has been here all year.
He should never left. He's just gonna cook all year through. All year round.
They're keeping me captive in the wild.
Yes, please. Please, little subliminal messages. Please help.
Yeah, they just dropped me off.
Just blink.
They kidnap him, so he just cooks for them.
They dropped me off my
Oh my
supplies.
god,
and that's
they're
it.
like bacon
Wow, with
muffins.
coal on the top. Reading his cookbook.
Wow, that was his cookbook.
That is a T-bone, my friends. That is a T-bone. T-bone.
Look at that, how he places
Whoa.
the skillet on the log.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that thing.
Oh my, rosemary and
Wow. Wow. Big fan.
What?
the oil.
I wonder how much it would cost to like get him to cook for you like a
Oh
professional
my
meal.
Yeah.
You know,
I was thinking about
like
it.
he looks like a
He
crazy
even made mushroom sauce. Alright, what's next from him?
wood and more wood.
He made a table, a little prep table. That's
nice.
great. You know what?
It
For him,
was
he needs.
clever.
Out of a fallen tree.
That's great.
This is
That's
poetic.
some birch. Yeah.
I like how I just threw in a nice little
Boom.
flower there. He's like, this is a pretty flower. Peepers. You dropped some peepers there.
I'm a bit jealous of this guy.
I am extremely jealous of this
I
guy.
wouldn't mind being there. If you're watching this guy, if you need a cameraman or something,
Yeah.
I'm happy to help for
If
like a
you
week
want
or
someone to
something.
like taste test free samples, I'm there all the way. What is happening? What is that? That looks so good.
Go with them.
And he plaited it like oh my gosh.
Oh, holy moly!
Holy moly.
Holy moly is the only right response for this.
Holy guacamole.
Is that what the
That actually
pesto
does
and
look
stuff?
guac, yeah.
Ooh, okay, we got a new guy.
We got a new guy. Who's this?
Oh no, you left the lid in there though.
He left. He did leave the lid in there.
Okay, we're getting some meat, dropping some. Ooh, okay.
Boom, boom,
Wow.
boom.
Okay, a little
Nice.
aggressive, a little fast. Chunk, chunk,
You
chunk,
gotta
chunk, chunk.
smack that pepper.
Yeah, smack that pepper. Tell it who's boss. Looks
Nice.
good. Nice.
Boom, 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 boom.
Pepper. Or salt. Pepper.
And the soggy bread.
He took out
Two
the
eggs.
cap. It's okay.
He did.
Now he's making the
Little
patties.
meatballs.
Oh, that was so satisfying. Plop, 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 plop.
Yeah, taste
Okay.
test. Ooh.
Ooh, got some garlic in there.
He's using the leftover from the cooking. Nice.
Oh, that's nice. We got some
We got some tomato meatballs
spicy meatballs.
with some cheese,
Wow,
some parsley, and just in the sandwich.
that looks
Oh my
so good.
All right. I would have done it with some spaghetti though.
I would have
But that looked
done it
nice.
exactly
Yeah.
the same.
That looked nice.
Okay, we got this guy with the bush.
All right.
He's gonna trim the bush.
just trimming the bush.
Trimming the bush. All right.
Always trim your bonsai tree.
Okay, there's a little bit on top there. Is he gonna cut it off?
No, you can't leave that there.
Is he gonna cut off the top though?
Please cut off the top.
Come on, cut off the top.
It's grinding my gears. No,
What are you doing?
My
No
Richard
way.
gears.
Sir, cut off the top. You left a little bit there. Just as I.
Oh yes!
Don't move my mountains!
Don't leave us like so.
Wait, where did the snow come from?
What just
Oh,
happened?
okay. Well,
I get nothing.
fair enough.
Okay,
Yeah, respect your life choices.
Fair enough.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we got some rice straining. Nice.
All
into the pressure
What
cooker.
are those little black pieces?
Those are bugs.
Just the box.
Just the bugs for extra
Got some
protein.
garlic.
Boom.
Ooh, that's a cool gadget.
That's nice. I need
Yeah.
one of those in
Yeah.
my life.
Ooh, got some tomato chop in here.
All right.
I don't like that she left the stem
Yeah, me
part.
neither. That
Yeah.
really got
Yeah.
me. All right, garlic, tomato.
Okay, got some
Egg.
eggy
What is? It was a
hair.
hair.
It looks like a hair, yeah.
Yeah, it looked like a hair.
It adds extra protein along with the bugs. So we got some eggs,
It's fiber.
tomato.
It's just extra
What?
fiber.
Fiber, you're right. Yeah, fiber, not protein.
Okay.
All right, air fryer.
Okay,
what-
a little. Oh, okay. What is happening?
going on?
Is that a nail or is that a?
That's a wedding ring. It's
Yeah, but the other
engagement
thing
ring.
is- I don't like what's happening
You
here.
married me.
That I
Okay.
mean, they're preparing for a proposal, I suppose.
That's a nice, that's a nifty little trolley. What are those?
I think those are prawn crackers,
Those look like prawn crackers. Yeah,
but like multicolored. I didn't know those existed.
yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, that is a
nice
feast.
little meal.
Okay.
That was awesome. Give us more.
More reactions.
I'll go to forest and find that chief.
Yes.